Everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm gonna show you how to bake butternut pumpkin, baby pumpkin butternut, how we can bake that one. So let's start. So you can see guys, it's our butternut baby pumpkin. So we will cut his both side edge, then we will cut this whole pumpkin one by two. So you can see I am cutting like this. So we will peel off this whole pumpkin nicely. Make sure to keep your fingers safe. So we will peel this whole pumpkin guys nicely. You can see how I am peeling this pumpkin in a nice way, and wastages are also very less. So same like this, then we will cut this one by four. Then we will put this salt, rosemary, black pepper and olive oil. So you can see all these four items I am putting: salt, rosemary, black pepper and olive oil. So this is my fourth one item. So we will spread it and we will cover this aluminum foil, because guys we have to bake this one, right? So we will just cover this one, so you can see, and it's time to put inside the oven for bake guys. So you can see
A few moments later.
now guys, our bake has been done. I put this one for 1 hour, so it's already done. So it's hot now, so because of that I'm using tongue, and now you can see it's already baked guys. So I'm just checking, right? So how is the taste, and it's fully baked or not, right? So you can see I'm just checking by my personal tongue, and I'm just taking the little bit slice of this butternut, and it's really amazing guys, super taste. Really, it's very creamy. You have to try.